Hey, welcome to a well-traveled life with Jonathan and Jennifer. This video is about our visit in Falkirk. We got some great drone footage, some great photography by Jennifer, and to the Kelpies, the horse, large metal statues, sculptures, I guess. Until you actually are there, it's hard to prepare yourself for the sheer size of the Kelpies, the horse statues. I mean, it's pretty magnificent.
The Kelpies are this huge equestrian structure, and what's really fun about them, you can see them from the freeway, and you'll catch glimpses of them as you're driving through the area, which really is a spectacle to see.
Yeah.
Again, we got some great drone footage on there.
Just 35 minutes from Glasgow, 45 minutes from Edinburgh, and 30 minutes from Stirling is Falkirk. And Falkirk is home to the Helix. The Helix is in a large park with an adventure play area, splash play water fountains, parklands, woodlands, wetlands, and boardwalks. There's even a lagoon with a cozy coffee shop on its shore. But the real draw of the Helix is the Kelpies. The Kelpies are 100-foot tall statues, the largest equine statues in the world. They weigh more than 300 tons each and are an engineering marvel, as well as an artistic expression of real-life icons, Duke and Baron, Clydesdale horses, who represent the lineage of the heavy horse of Scottish industry and economy, pulling the wagons, the plows, barges, and coal ships that shaped the geographical layout of Falkirk. The Kelpie's name also reflects the mythological transforming beasts that possess the strength and endurance of 100 horses, a quality that's analogous with the transformational change of the area's landscapes, the endurance of its inland waterways, and the strengths of its communities. The Helix is open 365 days a year, and it's free of charge to see the sculptures. There is a visitor center with a gift shop and a cafe. They also offer tours inside the Kelpies, so you can actually see that engineering in person. Those tours do have a cost to them. While the Kelpies are the centerpiece of the Helix, it's important to recognize that this is a huge network of canals and pathways. In fact, there are 500 kilometers of pathways that you can explore by foot or by bike. The Heart of Falkirk Trail allows you to take a 10-mile-long loop whereby you can discover the nearby attractions as well as the woodlands and the canals. It will take you from the Helix past the Kelpies to the Rosebank Distillery, onto the Falkirk Wheel, the Calendar House, and the park, and then back to the Helix. If you aren't familiar with the Falkirk Wheel, please watch our video from there. It is another engineering marvel that also has a huge artistic presence. It is the world's only rotating boat lift, linking the Forth and Clyde Canal to the Union Canal, which is 35 meters above. It gives vessels the ability to sail through the sky thanks to this unique fusion of art and engineering that rotates boats from the upper to the lower and the lower to the upper canals. We also have a longer, more complete video on all of Falkirk and the activities that are on offer in this very active, family-oriented city.
Turn your lights down low, set your mind to default. You just can't undo the harm caused. In a memory where the key got lost, it is hard to find what you need the most. minor default. You just can't undo the harm caused. And your mind is weak, and the damage is done. And for various times, I wasn't the one. And in this distant light, we search for something more. Don't leave me, we are fighting the same wars. And I can't shake this feeling of with my eyes on yours. If you never wanted somebody by your side, then let this be over. Even if we're willing to try. And in this distant light, and in this distant light, and in this distant light, we search for something more.
Enjoy this video because this really is about sort of the footage and the beauty of both of these structures.
Jonathan's a good-looking guy. This is my beautiful
I
wife.
concur. I concur.
Anyway,